Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into an old-school budgeting trick that might just blow your mind. It's called the envelope method, and guess what? In a world full of apps and digital wallets, it's still kicking butt. The envelope method is super simple. You physically separate your cash into different envelopes based on budget categories. It's not just for the old folks. This system can help you avoid overspending in a big way. So how does it work? First, you figure out your essential expenses. Let's say groceries are $300 a month for you. You take that amount in cash and put it into an envelope labeled groceries. It's like having a piggy bank for each category. Now comes the fun part, non-essential spending. Let's say you have $200 a month for entertainment and dining out. Put that cash in an entertainment envelope. Once it's gone, no more spending until next month. Here's the kicker. This method forces you to live within your means. You can't spend what isn't there, and that's why it works so well for impulse buyers like me. Another great thing about envelopes, they help you track spending better than any app can. You know exactly how much you have left in each category, no guesswork involved. But what about those unexpected expenses? You can set aside a bit of cash each month into an emergency envelope. It's like having a mini savings account right there in your wallet. Now, here's a game changer. If you find yourself with extra cash at the end of the month, put it into your savings envelope. It's like giving your future self a birthday present every time. And here's where the real magic happens. By sticking to your envelopes, you start seeing those small savings add up. Before you know it, you're saving $500 plus per month without even trying. But what if you're not a cash person? Don't worry, there's an app for that. Tools like Inab and Mint can mimic the envelope method digitally, so you still get all the benefits. So let's recap. You've got your essentials covered, non-essentials tracked, and an emergency fund ready. You're also saving a ton of cash each month. Sounds good, right? Here's the takeaway. Even if you're tech-savvy, sometimes going back to basics is exactly what your budget needs. The envelope method might just be the simple solution you've been missing. So there you have it, folks. The envelope method is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances and start saving big.